How to buy Javlis token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to take a look on their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token is available on the screener. Now go there and open your account. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this token is under the base network. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the tokenization from here, and we will use the Bitkit wallet for it. Open Bitkit wallet and go to your wallet. Now switch the network here to base network and click on this plus icon. As you can see, now paste the token address from here. Now, as you can see, this token is not listed. Make sure to read all of this, and if you are ready to go, just click on OK. Now click on plus icon. Now go back to your wallet. Now find your token, as you can see, called Javlis. Now click on it, click on swap, and now switch here to be able to buy it. Now from here, just select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDC, make sure you have enough USDC on your Bitkit wallet. After that, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive of that token. After that, just click on buy and you will be able to buy this Javlis. So this is how to buy the Javlis token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.